Well, the Park Street rape survivor was allegedly shown the door at an upscale Kolkata eatery for being the victim of a brutal crime. In return, the hotel that barred her from entering has justified its decision. Let's go across to Shambit, who's reporting on this. Shambit, what possible explanation can be there for turning around and asking a rape victim to exit their restaurant?
See, what we have heard at this moment, that the hotel authority has claimed that she had created some problem for the hotel, this restaurant operatives earlier as well. So she wasn't given an entry, but the way she was abused allegedly, the restaurant authorities, that is unacceptable. That is what unacceptable and at the same time insulting for the rape survivor. So at this moment,
Right, I think we lost that line with Shambit, but let's also take you through the reactions that we've been getting in.
She may get over the physical, the injuries. But what happens later? How does she get? We keep on talking about restoration and rehabilitation. But her rehabilitation process, there are so many hurdles and roadblocks. Because what is rehabilitation? When you're intermingling with society, you're constantly being, fingers are pointed at you and you're being targeted for something which you're not at fault for.
Ma'am, it also needs sensitivity, some sort of a sensitization on the part of even the West Bengal government and perhaps the women's wing over there to perhaps sensitize people to accept and how to react and treat the rape victims in society.
No, I totally agree with you, and especially since West Bengal has a woman chief minister, one assumes that she'd be more sensitive to, similarly placed women. But unfortunately, that's not the case. No women's group has taken it up, nobody has taken it up, and if anybody raises their voice, then I'm sure then the chief minister will be upset. In fact, that may be one of the reasons, because the kind of political situation that there is in West Bengal, that could be one of the situations that in case the restaurant owner allowed the girl and treated her in a normal way, maybe the government would get after him. So, there are all these kinds of fears and apprehensions that people have which need to be absolutely removed.